How to make musket balls in Terraria. So you absolutely cannot craft these basic bullets using any materials or crafting stations. They are strictly a purchase commodity. So first is you must acquire any firearm. So here I have a tactical shotgun, or you could also have just like a musket or undertaker, and just keep it in your inventory to force the arms dealer NPC to move into an empty house. So make sure you have an empty house in your home. But I currently have the arms dealer NPC right here. So if you still don't have it, just wait for the NPC to arrive. But once the NPC is here, just access the NPC's shop and he will sell an infinite supply of musket balls for exactly 9 copper. And you also have some tungsten bullet right here, which has a higher knockback and also damage. Musket balls has very weak knockback, but a tungsten ball has just a weak knockback. So you strictly need these basic rounds to fire your early guns, or you can combine them with other materials like the meteorite bars or cursed flames at an anvil to forge highly destructive specialized ammunition. But for this, as you can see, I'm going to use this tactical shotgun, and it uses the musket balls in my inventory, just like that. And that is how you basically make musket balls in Terraria.